Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by signing into Google and confirming camera permissions. This lets the Try It On feature access live video. Once done, open Chrome or an updated browser and search the product type plus Try It On. Make sure lighting is even and your camera is stable. You'll see a Try It On card or interactive result. Tap it to launch. From here, you're already in the viewpoint where virtual items map to your face or body, so move on to placement. Once the try-on overlay appears, choose the specific color, size, or model variant you want. Google feeds options from retailers. You'll see an AR overlay. Use pinch to scale and drag to reposition so alignment is natural. If tracking drifts, switch to the back camera or adjust your distance from the lens. Make sure any accessory or clothing lines up by turning your head slowly. This helps the algorithm calibrate. After adjustments, inspect from multiple angles before moving to the final step. To finish, capture a photo or save the session so you can compare options. You can share images or tap the retailer link to buy. Once you choose, confirm size and return policy before checkout. If things go wrong, tracking jitter, wrong placement, or no overlay, first improve lighting and clean the lens. Restart your browser tab, toggle camera permissions, and reload the Try It On result. These steps usually restore AR tracking quickly. If necessary,
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.